Hi boys and girls, welcome back. Hope you're well. My name is Miss Saima. Today I'm going to do a nice activity with you and we are going to make a clock. Now, the reason for this activity is for you guys to recognize the numbers on the clock using vocabulary such as the hands moving clockwise, the big hand, small hand, pointing, like which number is it pointing, and the word o'clock. To make this clock, all you need is a white brown paper. If you don't have a paper plate, you could use a cardboard and you could just kind of cut a circle out of it. Okay, it is the same thing. I've got two colored papers to represent the different hands, big hand and small hand, and I've got a marker. And you will also need a little pin to place it in the center of your clock. And lastly, you need some scissors. Okay? So first what I'm going to do is write the numbers on the plate. Try doing it all by yourself. If you don't know how to write the numbers, it's okay. Tell mommy or daddy to do some dots for you, dot writing, and then you can trace the numbers, okay? This is for you to help you to write your numbers, to recognize your numbers. So I'm going to start off with 12. Okay, I'm going to do the middle numbers first. I'll tell you why. So I'm going to do 12, which is at the very top. If you have your own clock, maybe go put the clock in front of you, have a look at the numbers, how the numbers are placed on the clock, okay? So 12 goes at the very top. Then I have number 3, number 6 at the very bottom, and number 9 opposite number 3, just like this. Okay, now I need to put my numbers in between. So the 12 always at the top, 6 is at the bottom, 3, and then opposite 3 is number 9. Now we need to fill out the in between. So after 12, remember on the clock you only have numbers from 1 to 12, okay? So after 12, we're going to start off with 1, then it's 2. Okay? Can you see how I put my two numbers in between? We have 1, 2, 3, then I'll put down 4 and 5, and then we'll have our 6. So I've done my 4 and 5, 6. Now I will do 7, 8, and then we have 9, and then 10 and 11. Okay? Just like this. This is our clock. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There you go. Now the next step is making our hands of the clock. If you have a clock at home, have a look at it. You have two different sizes of hands, okay? A big one and a small one. So now I'm going to make my hands. To do that, you will need colored paper. To make your arrow is very simple. All you need to do is draw a rectangle and then a triangle on top. Okay? That's my big one. And then I'm going to do another one, a small one. Remember, a rectangle with a triangle on top. Once you've done that, you will cut it out with the scissors. Two clock hands, a big one and a small one. So what I'm going to do now, boys and girls, I'm going to place these in the middle. Okay? You might need to get mommy and daddies to help you with this. It's a little bit tricky. You place your hands in the middle and then you'll get one small pin and you poke it through, okay? You get the paint and you just kind of need to place it in the middle. Once you place the paint in the middle, you could either get some small amount of blue tack to place the paint at the back, okay? So it's not moving and it will not come out. Remember to get mummies and daddies to help you. So it looks like this. Now, I'm going to place the big hand at the top and small hand on number 3. Could you tell me what time it is, boys and girls? Good job, it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Every time the big hand is on number 12, it means it's o'clock. And the hand will always move clockwise, okay? So it's 3 o'clock there, then it's 4 o'clock, then it's 5 o'clock, got 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. So, boys and girls, can you tell me what time it is now? What time is it on the clock? You can get this one right. Good job! It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Let's do another one. Some boys and girls, can you tell me what the time is? Amazing! It's 6 o'clock. Good job. So boys and girls, I hope you guys have had fun making your very own clock and telling the time. Please do like and share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye.